Hello everyone and welcome back to GAN Growth. Today we are going to talk about self-introduction. This is the second lesson that introduction for you. The first lesson I have uploaded before. First video link is given in description box. Please check that link and don't forget to like and subscribe. So without further ado, let's get started. What should you talk about when introducing yourself and what topic you should address? I will tell you about this. The important thing is here is to think about what you need to talk about in advance according to the environment you are going to set up. Sentence should work in advance. तो फ्रेंड्स, इंट्रोडक्शन का ये लेक्चर आपके लिए बहुत ही हेल्पफुल होने वाला है। इस लेक्चर में आपको मैं बताऊंगी कौन से टॉपिक पर आपको किस तरह से बात करनी है, कौन से टॉपिक में कितना टाइम लेना है, तो वीडियो को आखिरी तक जरूर देखिएगा। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, हाउ टू एंटर द टॉपिक सच एज नेम, सरनेम, एज, स्टेट, एजुकेशन and get your sentence ready and always need it. After providing relevant information about your education situation, you should prepare for few sentences in case you want details according to the environment. The earlier video was made in both formal and informal ways, but this video is going to be important for college going students. आप कॉलेज में अपने आप को बेहतरीन तरीके से कैसे इंट्रोड्यूस करा सके, इस पर्पस से ये वीडियो बनाया गया है। I will tell you some such points today so that your introduction can improve even more. First thing is that stand up when it's your turn to introduce yourself. This will make you appear more confident and will help you speak more clearly than if you were to stay seated. It may feel awkward to stand up, but your introduction will be over more quickly than you think. जब आप खुद का परिचय देंगे, यानी जब परिचय देने की आपकी बारी आएगी, तब आपका आत्मविश्वास ही आपको स्पष्ट रूप से बोलने में मदद करेगा। जहां आप बैठे होंगे वहां आपको खड़े होने में अजीब महसूस होगा, लेकिन आपका परिचय जितना आपने सोचा होगा उससे अधिक जल्दी हो जाएगा। If you are sitting in the middle of the room, you may want to turn your head from side to side occasionally as you speak so you can address the entire class. अगर आप क्लासरूम में बीच में बैठे होंगे तो आपने कभी कभी अपने सिर को साइड से इधर से उधर मोड़ना है ताकि आप पूरी क्लास को संबोधित कर सके। Second thing is that smile when you speak. Even if you are super nervous, smiling will make your voice sound calmer and will help you mask that nervousness. It also shows your classmates and your teachers that you are friendly and approachable. Also, smiling stimulates the production of endorphins, so you are helping yourself to feel a little happier too. दूसरी और महत्वपूर्ण बात यह है कि आपके फेस पे नॉर्मल सी स्माइल होनी चाहिए। इससे अगर आप नर्वस होंगे तो आपकी नर्वसनेस चुप जाएगी और क्लास में आप कॉन्फिडेंट काम फील करेंगे। आप अंदर से भी अपने आप को खुश महसूस करेंगे। Scientific studies have shown that making yourself smile when publicly speaking endears others to you as they naturally will want to smile back. Third thing is that speak with confidence. Chances are that even if your voice is shaky, others won't notice that. You want everyone to be able to hear you. So when you introduce yourself, do so in a clear, loud voice. Don't mumble or stare down at the ground. It's perfectly okay to be nervous. A lot of people are when speaking in front of others. आपको आत्मविश्वास से बात करनी है। शायद आपकी आवाज हकलाती हुई आए, लेकिन ये सुनने वालों को पता नहीं चलना चाहिए। आपकी आवाज स्पष्ट और ऊंची होनी चाहिए। अक्सर लोग परिचय देते समय ऐसी गलतियां करते हैं। Another thing is that try practicing your introduction in a mirror to prepare yourself beforehand. A lot of people in your class will be thinking about what they are going to say when it's their turn and may not even be watching you the entire time you are speaking. परिचय देने से पहले आईने के सामने आपको प्रैक्टिस करनी चाहिए। Fourth thing is that give your name first. It's helpful to give your first name, pause and then give your first and last name like, "Hello, my name is Jatin Tripathi." The repetition makes it more likely that others will remember your name. Next point is that share why you are taking in the class. If you are in a college course, you can share your intended major. Or if you are taking a class for a certification for a job, you could share what it is you do for work. For example, you could say, "Hi, I am Mayank Pathak. I am an economic major, and this class is helping me get a certification I need to graduate." If you are only in the class because you have to be like a general education course that all students are required to take, you don't need to say that. Chances are a lot of other people are in the same boat. Last and important point is offer personable details like hobbies or interests you have. If you are involved in sports or have pets or like to travel, the end of your introduction is good place to give this information. You could say something like, "When I am not studying, I like to train for and run in half marathons." This gives your classmates and teacher a memorable activity to tie to your name. And most important thing is that avoid sharing overly personal details. Now you have a complete format of introduction. Let's revise it. Hello, I am Jayant Sharma. I am 20 years old. I am from Delhi. I did BTech Computer Science from Delhi. I enjoy reading and I have always been voracious reader. My hobbies has made me develop analytical thinking and open-mindedness. I am a quick learner, punctual, smart, and hard worker, responsible, flexible, and adaptable according to the situation. And I am glad to introduce myself in front of you, and thanks for giving me this opportunity. Thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment down below.